if you aren't in a place where you have no tolerance for mediocrity in what you do, what you are involved with, what you put your effort, time, and energy towards, your thought into. If you aren't in a place where you are mediocre intolerant, you aren't in a place of excellence, and you are not ready to elevate. Until you get to that place mentally where you automatically see, clarify any mediocrity that you put forth. Once you could always see and be like, dang, that wasn't good enough. Dang, why not? What did I do wrong? What could I do better? How did I miss? You gotta want to watch the game tape. And whatever you're doing, after game over, you watch the tape. See all the missteps. Correct them. Practice them. See all the missteps and mark them so you can practice them. See everything you do good. Want to go back and do, okay, better. Alright, what's the next one? Alright, what we doing tomorrow? Alright, cool. I got this done. Boom. Until you have a that's done list, not just a to-do list. I got this done, got that done, got that done. Alright, that's good. Did that, blah, blah. That, I did it, but it ain't ready yet. That ain't right yet. It's just okay. I gotta make it great. Until you looking at your life like that, you're not elevating. This is why a lot of us are not elevating. Because we're satisfied with okay. We're satisfied with good. If you're just satisfied with cool, okay, whatever, you got a long way to go, my friend. Even if you're not. Still, I got a long way to go. We all got a long way to go. As long as it ain't finna end right now at this moment, we got a long way to go. And I ain't satisfied with mediocrity. I am annoyed by it. How can you show up and not want to be great? How can you show up and be here and call yourself a part of what's going on and be okay wasting time? Be okay with what the heck you don't understand? Okay, let me explain to you why that is unacceptable. After I explain it, if you don't get it, you must not be the one to be here right now. No mediocre. You can't accept it. If you accept the mediocre, when it comes to involvement with you and your life purpose and your honorable projects that you're working on day to day, moment to moment, hour to hour, week to week, months to months to years. If you satisfied with allowing anything, any mediocrity and involvement with your life work, you're not ready to elevate. When you're ready to elevate, you're going to know it. You're going to feel it. You're going to sense it. You're not going to allow anything below great to get around it. And you're going to push yourself and everything to be greater than great. To be excellent. To be awesome. Top tier, whatever that is. You know what I mean? The best. This is your life's work. This is your life we talking about. This is your life. You have life. You have breath. Where's the gratitude? The only way to truly show your gratitude is action. Excellence. Finding your purpose and fulfilling it. step by step, day by day, minute by minute, second by second. That is how you show gratitude for life. It ain't words. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gratitude, gratitude. I mean, that's great. It's tuning. You know what I mean? The vibration of your voice and your intention through your voice says a lot. It does a lot for the frequencies that's flowing around us. You know what I mean? It does a lot for the energy, for the aura, for the feng shui. But to truly show gratitude, you leverage this thing called life. Daily. You leverage yourself. I leverage myself for life daily. I strengthen myself every day as much as possible. I be wishing I could do more, but I gotta let myself rest. I gotta let my body rest. I gotta let my mind rest. You know what I mean? I don't get as much rest as you probably think I've been resting better now. I be in the gym a whole lot. But so I be wishing I could be in the gym all day some days. I be wishing, you know what I mean? 2 a day would be good. 3 a day would be good. That'd be cool. I want to do this today. Man, relax, bro. Recover. Recovery, rest is huge. You know what I mean? For the men, if you didn't know, rest helps with everything. It helps with cognitive, well, for people, period, cognitive function. It helps with recovery. For the men, it helps with testosterone. Sometimes you thinking that sleep deprivation is doing you good, but really you just more tired and lethargic than you thought you should be just from not sleeping, but it's because your body ain't producing the same amount of testosterone to keep you going. That's a whole different science. It's way more to it. But rest has a lot to do with it. Recovery. Your body has to recover, and then it develops a lot of that, generates certain types of testosterone and certain forms that feed it while you sleep, while you resting. Anyways, you're just gonna want to go in. When you find a purpose, something that you want to give your life to, that you feel like you have been given life for and to do, you'll be obsessed with it, and you'll only be satisfied with excellence. Only. Once you find that, you find you. Once you find you, you find that. And you excel, my friends. Peace. Will here.